often find yourself waking up at night for frequent bathroom trips? Imagine a life where your nights are uninterrupted and you feel confident about your health again. What if I told you that the solution could be as simple as a few exercises you can do right at home? In this video, I'll share 7 incredibly effective exercises that not only support your prostate health, but can also improve your overall quality of life. Whether you're dealing with discomfort or simply want to stay ahead of the curve, these tips could be a game changer. Make sure to hit that like button if you find this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips every week. Now let's get started. Number 1, pelvic lift. The pelvic lift is a simple yet highly effective exercise for improving prostate health. This movement targets the pelvic floor muscles, which play a vital role in bladder control and urinary function. Strengthening these muscles helps alleviate symptoms like frequent bathroom trips and incomplete bladder emptying, common issues for men with prostate concerns. The pelvic lift also works the glutes, hips, and core muscles, contributing to overall body strength and flexibility. One of the key benefits of the pelvic lift is its ability to increase blood circulation in the pelvic area. This boost in blood flow enhances oxygen and nutrient delivery to the prostate, promoting its health and reducing inflammation. By improving circulation, the pelvic lift can also reduce the pressure exerted by an enlarged prostate on the urethra, leading to smoother urinary flow and relieving discomfort. To perform a pelvic lift, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees while tightening your glutes and abdominal muscles. Hold for a few seconds, then lower back down slowly. Regular practice can significantly improve prostate health and overall well-being. Number 2, lunges. Lunges are a fantastic exercise not only for strengthening the legs, but also for supporting prostate health. This dynamic movement activates the pelvic floor muscles, which are essential for maintaining proper urinary function and supporting prostate health. By regularly performing lunges, you can strengthen the pelvic region, potentially alleviating symptoms related to prostate enlargement, such as frequent urination or difficulty emptying the bladder completely. Beyond pelvic floor activation, lunges are excellent for improving body stability and balance, which can positively impact your overall physical health. They also contribute to better hormonal regulation. Lunges stimulate the production of testosterone, a key hormone for male health, while helping to reduce excess estrogen levels. Maintaining a proper hormonal balance is critical for preventing prostate enlargement and promoting prostate health. To perform lunges, start by standing upright. Step one leg forward and bend both knees to lower your body into a lunge position. Keep your torso straight and avoid leaning forward. Push off with your front foot to return to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. Include lunges in your routine to naturally support your prostate and boost overall well-being. Number 3, squats. Squats are a powerful full-body exercise that can significantly benefit prostate health. While they primarily target the legs, glutes, and core, squats also promote better posture and stability, which can alleviate pressure on the prostate and bladder. This exercise helps improve circulation in the pelvic region, ensuring that the prostate receives a better supply of oxygen and nutrients. Increased blood flow can help reduce inflammation, supporting prostate health. Additionally, squats stimulate the production of testosterone, a key hormone for male health. Maintaining balanced hormone levels is essential for preventing prostate enlargement and other related issues. Incorporating squats into your workout routine is simple and effective. Regular practice can enhance both muscle health and prostate health, promoting overall well-being. Number 4, Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises are one of the most effective and discreet ways to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, which are vital for bladder control and prostate health. For men suffering from benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or an enlarged prostate, Kegel exercises can provide significant relief. They help improve urinary function by increasing the strength and endurance of the pelvic floor, making it easier to fully empty the bladder and reducing the frequent need to urinate, especially during the night. To perform Kegels, simply contract the pelvic floor muscles, similar to the sensation of stopping the flow of urine or preventing gas from passing. Hold the contraction for about 5 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. Repeat this process 10 to 20 times, 3 times a day. In addition to improving prostate health, Kegel exercises can enhance sexual function by strengthening the pelvic floor. These exercises can increase blood flow to the region, promoting better sexual performance and overall health. Number 5. Walking or light jogging. A simple yet powerful way to boost circulation, reduce inflammation, and promote overall prostate health is by walking or engaging in light jogging. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking or light jogging each day can help regulate hormones, support heart health, and maintain a healthy weight. Key factors in prostate longevity. These aerobic activities improve blood flow to the pelvic region, ensuring the prostate receives adequate oxygen and nutrients while helping to flush out toxins that could contribute to inflammation. Additionally, walking and jogging help manage stress levels by releasing endorphins, which can positively impact hormone balance and overall well-being. Whether it's a daily walk in the park or a light jog around your neighborhood, incorporating these exercises into your routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your prostate health. Number 6. Yoga or Pilates. Yoga and Pilates are gentle yet effective exercises that can greatly benefit prostate health. Both practices focus on improving flexibility, strength, and posture, all of which contribute to better pelvic health. These exercises involve controlled movements and breathing techniques that enhance blood flow to the pelvic region, ensuring the prostate receives a healthy supply of oxygen and nutrients, which can help reduce inflammation and promote overall prostate function. In addition to improving circulation, yoga and Pilates help reduce stress, which can negatively impact prostate health. Stress management through deep breathing and mindful movements is essential for maintaining hormonal balance, particularly testosterone levels, which are crucial for prostate health. Incorporating yoga or Pilates into your routine can improve flexibility, reduce stress, and support prostate health naturally. Number 7. Swimming. Swimming is a low-impact, high-benefit exercise that offers a full-body workout without placing stress on the joints. It improves circulation, strengthens muscles, and reduces inflammation, making it an excellent choice for those looking to support prostate health. The gentle resistance of water provides an effective way to engage multiple muscle groups while minimizing strain on the body. Swimming also enhances cardiovascular health, which contributes to better blood flow to the pelvic region, supporting overall prostate function. Regular swimming can help maintain a healthy weight, reduce stress, and regulate hormone levels, all essential factors for prostate longevity. Whether you choose lap swimming, water aerobics, or simply treading water, incorporating swimming into your routine can greatly benefit your prostate and overall well-being. And there you have it. 7 simple but powerful exercises to support your prostate health and longevity. Try adding these to your daily routine and feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips. Drop a comment below and let me know, which of these exercises are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.